You want to start a t-shirt business, but you don't know where to start. It's not as hard as you think. A good t-shirt design is all about getting the right mix of elements that will work together to create a cohesive, visually appealing design. If you're looking to create a t-shirt design that sells, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. In this video, I will show you how to create a t-shirt design that sells by using the right keywords, design tips, and researching your niche. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. Tip number 1, keyword oriented. Any business selling products online needs to put serious thought into which keywords to target. After all, if no one is searching for the product you're selling, it will be pretty tough to make any sales. This is especially true for businesses that are selling t-shirts online. While there are undoubtedly many people interested in buying t-shirts, there is also a lot of competition out there. Therefore, one thing you need to do to succeed in the t-shirt business is to target the right keywords. You can use Amazon's search box auto search to get ideas for keyword to target. Just type in a few relevant words and you'll be presented with a list of relative keywords that people are searching for on Amazon. By targeting the right keywords, you will be able to get more traffic to your website and make more sales. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Tip number 2, low competition and high quality. A niche with low competition and high quality designs can result in success. If you can tap into a market that isn't being served well by other designers, you'll be able to set yourself apart with your high quality designs. This is especially true if you're selling physical products like clothes or accessories, where people are willing to pay a premium for something that looks great. Of course, it's not enough to just have low competition. Your designs also need to be appealing to your target market. But if you find a sweet spot where there's minimal competition and your designs are in demand, you will be well on your way to success. Tip number 3, easy to find. Amazon is a powerful search engine, and to make sure your product is easy to find, you'll need to include your main keywords in each bullet point. You'll also want to make sure that your product concept isn't too niche. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your product will be easy to find on Amazon. By including your main keywords in each bullet point, you'll make it easier for Amazon's search engine to find your product. And by making sure your product concept isn't too niche, you'll ensure that your potential customers will be able to easily find your product when they're searching for something similar. For example, if you're selling t-shirts with puns on them, you'll want to make sure that your product is easy to find when someone searches for bunny t-shirts or punny t-shirts. Next, make sure that you include your most important keywords in the product description on Amazon. Place keywords in your title, bullet point number 1, bullet point number 2, and your description. The core keyword may also be included in your store name if you're running a specialty store. Tip number 4, relevant. It's no secret that targeted marketing is more effective than general marketing. By definition, targeted marketing is the practice of advertising to a specific group of consumers who are more likely to be interested in your product or service. This is opposed to general marketing, which takes a one-size-fits-all approach and casts a wide net to reach as many people as possible. The problem with this approach is that not everyone is interested in what you're selling, and you waste a lot of time and money trying to reach people who will never convert. Targeted marketing allows you to focus your efforts on those who are most likely to buy from you, resulting in a higher ROI and happier customers. The most effective way to sell a product is to target a specific audience relevant to their interest. A product relevant to a customer's interest has the edge over those that are targeting a broader audience. Tip number 5, relatable. Some of the best-selling t-shirts are relatable and make a connection with the person that's buying them. The shirt might have a saying on it that the customer can relate to, or it might feature a character or design that the customer likes. Whichever the case may be, the customer feels a connection with the shirt and wants to buy it. T-shirts are one of the most popular clothing items because they're comfortable and often make a statement. When a customer sees a shirt they like, they're more likely to buy it because it speaks to them in some type of way. Whether it's a funny saying or an exciting design, t-shirts that make a connection with the customer are often the best sellers. Tip number 6, funny. Funny t-shirts have become increasingly popular in the recent years due in part to the fact that they are so easy to find and keyword oriented. Relatable content is also key, as funny t-shirts often feature pop culture references or clever one-liners. In addition, many people enjoy the sense of community that comes with wearing a funny t-shirt. Whether bonding over shared experiences or simply laughing at someone else's expense, funny t-shirts provide a unique way to connect with others. Tip number 7. Simplicity. As any retailer knows, one of the keys to selling a product is making sure that it is easy for the customer to find. This is especially true for items like t-shirts, which are most often sold in large quantities and must be displayed prominently to catch the eye of potential customers. One way to make a t-shirt stand out is by having a simple, easy to comprehend design. A shirt with a busy or confusing design is likely to be passed over in favor of one with a more straightforward look. In addition, an eye-catching design can also help boost sales by drawing attention to the shirt and making it more likely to be noticed by potential customers. Tip number 8. Dark shirt base color. The color black frequently appears as a base t-shirt color because it is versatile and can easily match to other colors. Black can be combined with any color, making it a popular choice for those who want their t-shirt to coordinate with the rest of their outfit. Dark colors such as navy and charcoal are also popular for base t-shirts, as they are less likely to show stains or perspiration than lighter colors. When designing a shirt, it's important to remember that not all colors will look the same on every shirt color. For example, white and black will usually look good on any color shirt, but other colors may not look as good. That's why it's often a good idea to select all color options for a design, so you can see how it looks on a different shirt color. This way you can make sure that your design looks its best no matter what color shirt it's printed on. After you've hit it big with the best-selling t-shirt design, it's important to experiment with different ways to improve your success. One way to do this is to try out other marketing techniques and see which ones work best for your product. Another way to improve your success is to create new designs that are even better than your previous ones. Finally, always be on the lookout for recent trends and styles that you can incorporate into your designs. By constantly improving and innovating, you'll keep your t-shirt business booming for years to come. Make sure that you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on our next video, 15 side hustles that even your banker will question.